Over the years, I've bought a lot of Apple products, but never did I expect myself to buy the Apple credit card. Alright, let's get this started. Hey guys, Carlos here. Welcome back to another video here on Scarcity Lifestyle, where we talk all things finance, fitness, and family. Guys, today, as you can see right here spread across the table, I have the Apple products that I've purchased along the years. Now, I want to talk today about the Apple credit card. Now, here's a fun fact for you guys. In 2019, the credit card companies, they peaked at a topping of $829 billion industry. It's no wonder why Apple wanted to get into this, as Apple has tried to integrate itself into what is vehicles, phones, computers. Now, something that I honestly wasn't expecting was the credit card. Taking a look here, I'm gonna pull it out. It's honestly very beautiful. It's honestly really nice. One of the things that when you apply for the Apple credit card is that it immediately appears in your Apple wallet. So as soon as you get approved, you can already start using it. And that is one of the great things about it. Pulling it out here, showing you guys how it is. Here it is. Here, as you can see, it's a very nice. Taking a look at it, I'm gonna show you right there, and you can see it's focused on it. Taking a quick look at it, you can see my name's all engraved in there and everything. It's actually a very nice card. It's actually made of completely metal. You hear this? It's completely metal. It feels very nice. Taking a look at the back here, you can see it's made by the Apple's company or partner company, which is Goldman Sachs. As you can see, it's a MasterCard. No information there, no numbers, no PIN. That's a great thing about this, that I can show you guys without my identity being stolen. But the great thing about this is you feel legit. You feel good while having this card. As a matter of fact, about a week ago, I was at Pollo Loco. I gave the guy my card, and then he started looking at me like, whoa, this guy must be like rich or something. I'm not, poor. But this guy was thinking otherwise. So you feel legit. He was like, wow, nice card. And you feel good with this card. But what are my thoughts on it? I've been having this card for about a month now, testing this out to see how it is. The first thing I got was in fact this Apple Watch. I love my Apple Watch. It's great. I love that. But I was able to get it with this card. Here's some of my thoughts on this card after using it for about a month. What my thoughts are. So you may be wondering, who is this card for? So simply put, Apple has this whole ecosystem and where all of its products are connected together. Now, the Apple card is so great because it connects to your phone, and you could use it on your laptop, and you can use it from your Apple Watch as well. It's very great in the sense that it's all connected. That's the great thing about Apple, its convenience factor. Now, taking a look at this, what is the ecosystem? If you're an Apple fanboy, this card is great for you, simply because this card, it works best with Apple Pay. When you first apply, you get it immediately onto your wallet, and then you put it in, and then you can start using it, buying stuff like that. But then maybe a week later, if you can get the actual physical card, which is nice to show off and have around, but truthfully, it's more shows than anything. That's why I've kept this thing, because simply you just leave it right there, slide it right back in, and then you can have it right there, nice and neat, protected, and to show off. But you mainly want to be using your Apple Pay, because that's the way you get the most cash back, and that's it's the most efficient. There's a feature that is almost like instant gratification for any Apple user, and that's its daily Cashback Rewards program. Simply put, most credit card companies, what they do is that in about 7 to 10 business days, they either give you a cashback or at the end of the month. It really depends. It's on a case by case. However, Apple, they do something a little more different. They give it to you at the end of the business day or at the start of the next day. And at the end of the week, they give you a summary of how much money you got in return. And it's not physical cash. It's always being put into your Apple card, into your Apple Pay card. You know, that other little black card in your Apple Wallet. There, you could use that as well to use Apple Pay in order to purchase more things. And speaking about the Apple Wallet, it's very good that you can track everything that you buy from there. And that's one of the bad things about all of these other credit card companies, that you don't really get to track all of your spendage. You have to pretty much get like a letter from the mail at the end of the month that then tells you all the stuff that you bought and how much money and how much stuff you have left, or you have to partner with a third party accessory. However, Apple goes the convenience factor and does it does it for you. You get to track it. And maybe we wonder, how can I track it? What am I buying? How much do I know? First of all, it's 3% cash back on all Apple and Apple partners products. So for example, Apple, if you want to go and get a new MacBook, get the Mac Pro, or if you want to go and purchase Nike products, via Apple Pay, that as well gives you 3% cash back, such as like Uber Eats, Walgreens. They will provide you 3% cash back. However, it's 2% cash back on every other thing via Apple Pay. Take that into consideration. So that means if you want to use the physical card, it's going to be 1%. That's not what you want. Why you might want to pass on the Apple card? First of all, if you're an Android user, you're not going to like this card. First, because its stronghold, it's simply the via Apple Pay card. Yes, there is Google Pay, but that's not the same thing. Apple Pay is strictly Apple, and it's 2% cash back on Apple products. So if you're an Android user, that means you'll be obligated to start using the card itself, which is just 1% cash back, and that's not really what you want. If you want a better card, better cash back, I recommend the Blue Cash Preferred by American Express that has the best cashback rewards. And maybe if you want, say, the best no annual fee, Apple is actually one of them. Has no annual fee, no late fee as well. But at the same time, the best no annual fee is the Citi Double Cash Rewards card. That one is the best one, and you can look more into credit cards. But another reason is if you like traveling and you like those travel rewards, Apple does not offer any travel rewards. They're not the ones for you. You should probably take a look at the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. That one has the best travel rewards for anybody who likes traveling a lot. However, Apple is not for you. Guys, there's some stuff that is good about the Apple card, and there's some stuff that is kind of bleak, kind of meh. For me, for someone like me who's young, who's starting their credit, who has a lot of Apple products, this is a great card. My overall, I don't think it'll be like the card I'll keep forever. I'm looking in the future to upgrade to a better one. But for me, at this moment, it's a great card. For anybody looking to get into to build their credit or to get into the credit card industry, Apple card is one that I highly recommend. Guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this one. It was really fun because I have all of these Apple products here. Guys, if you want to see any more videos of finance, fitness, or family related, guys, this channel is it for you. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and with that, I'll be seeing you in the next video.
Another glass and I am going places, makes me laugh.